connected for all.
The regional committee meeting to examine the present status of area of difference with Langpi, West Khasi Hills district was held at Trisum Hall, DC office, Nongston. The committee is headed by Meghalaya Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh as chairman. Addressing the media after the meeting, Paul Lyngdoh said 41 villages, including Khasis and Garos, took part in the meeting, and the meeting was fruitful and many issues were discussed. He added that of the 52 villages in the disputed area, 41 have submitted letters stating that they want to be part of Meghalaya, while 9 have said that they want to be part of Assam. A site visit to the Langpi sector will be conducted in the coming days.
Presentation, district administration, but like itu Islam, tapi ya naga itu Islam, orang willing memanca media, nalis jompi satu kiran satu way, kita lai itu juga, kita muncul, kita media, kendai di bawah
On the third day,